We're vlogging. This is a vlog, right?
We're in Garden City. I need to probably go stop cleaning my feet.
He's such a sweet, quiet guy.
So what are we doing today? What are we doing?
Getting some hot boiled peanuts, rolling down the screen, smelling my feet. Give me something good to eat. Look at this hippie. I gotta exfoliate my funky feet. Rain? You're raining everywhere. You need to stop.
Look at that. I don't even know what that means. What does that mean? Explain.
Those are clouds.
It's not raining anymore. Oh wait. Did it just start raining after I said that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, never mind. It's raining now. It's really bad. My boat looks like a dumpling. You get some bitter saltwater taffy?
Better saltwater taffy.
It has like all these things.
Okay, so what you can do is,
You can just get a bag and then
why don't you do 4 bags,
4 bags.
and then do 2 of each, and do these 2 in one bag, these 2 in one bag, and then do 2 and 2 on the other side.
Okay.
See, I'm a genius.
Alright, let's do it.
Figure it out.
So we gotta vlog all of it. Here's the little thingy. I've never had rousers before, and I just tried them, and they're pretty good. Water taffy in there.
Carolina Gourmet of Polly's. Oh, it's fake. It's fake. Apparently he likes anchors. He likes anchors.
Like that. I like it. I said I like it like that. That song's stuck in my head. My hair looks like ramen noodles, but but I'm waiting for, it wasn't even that funny. I'm waiting for my dad. He had to go back and get his hat. So I'll wait for him. And we're going to dinner. So that's great. That was a fun one.
Already ate my scrums.
Oh my gosh, I almost dropped. Yeah, it does. Look at this big giant puddle by the car. Look how pretty the beach is. I wish that rainbow was still out. But... Oh! Oh, well, we just came out here, but... That lady has a dog over there, and I want to go pet it. Oh, oh my god, we got. I'm taking way too many videos of the beach. I'm taking way too many videos of the beach, but it's so pretty. Update: I pet that dog, and I held it, and it was very cute. That thing is. That looks cool. People are looking at you like you're crazy.
Oh shit! Ooh, you got lightning going on behind you. And a bug.
Oh, that was
You got a better one. You'll see it. Run down the beach. Put it behind you. Run.
Maybe I'll do it again. Oh, like light up. Those things are janky. Oh my god!
Blowing up. Where's all that?
I was just trying to cut the camera off too. Is it like? Oh my gosh!
Taffy. It was disgusting.
Now we got
the good stuff.
good stuff.
Hold on.
Look at, oh wait, those are mine. Look at all the saltwater taffy. We're
Sounds like I'm peeing. We're not
streaming
peeing.
on my dad's thingy.
Oh yeah, we're streaming.
It's called Twitch. Go.
Hey,
Oh,
thank you
look at all
everybody for
this
tuning
trash.
in. Live Vision. Thanks for joining
But
us.
we're about to test this.
We normally play games on. You know what? The pictures are on my phone. I can't pull up the pictures to figure out what the flavors are.
Oh, it's okay. I think I remember some of them, and we'll taste them. And
So
find out.
we got real saltwater taffy. And when I say real, I mean this stuff is real. It's real good too.
Did I tell you to plug up your phone?
Oh yeah, plug up the phone.
Hold on. Okay.
plug
Well,
up the phone.
I'm about to get off of here and do that. So, yeah.
I need water.
And I ain't got too many upside. Drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. People say I drop too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as